4 critical mistakes students are making in Retell Lecture question type, and they are suffering in their speaking and listening score. First and foremost, just like describe image, a lot of students are still using templates. Please remember, if you use templates, you are supposed to get 0. Either the system will give you 0 or the human checker will give you 0. And if you get 0 in content, you will get a total 0 out of 15 in your Retell Lecture. Number 2, that they are providing illogical answers in Retell Lecture. Just like previously they used to do illogical long sentences, some students are still doing that. They are giving lines or sentences that are too long without any particular content from the question, and thus those sentences do not fit in within the described Retell Lecture that they have got at that particular exam. Another problem students create is that they finish too early. That means they have not covered enough content. They still finish within 20-25 seconds. This shouldn't be the case. The answer should have been finished within 30 to 35 seconds. Another big mistake students make is that they use only keywords. They only take notes of the keywords, and when they answer, they only use keywords and thus do not get enough score for their content and eventually lose score in listening and speaking. So these are the 4 mistakes students are making. I'm repeating them again. Firstly, using templates. Secondly, answering illogically. Thirdly, finishing too early, and at the end, using only keywords instead of full sentences. Hopefully you'll be able to avoid these mistakes and do well in your PTE test. Stay tuned. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.